Where is the fuse box located in the 2024 Hyundai Tucson, and how can you find its diagram? This guide covers the fuse box location, layout, and key components protected by fuses. Understanding these details helps ensure smooth vehicle maintenance. Instrument panel fuse panel. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson's instrument panel fuse panel, located under the dashboard, protects key components like interior lighting, audio, and power windows. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and includes spare fuses for quick replacements. Its compact design ensures efficient protection of the vehicle's electrical systems. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2024 Hyundai Tucson, located in the engine bay, protects key systems like the battery, alternator, and engine control units. It features a weatherproof design and clearly labeled high-amperage fuses for easy identification. This panel ensures reliable protection of critical engine components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.